All right guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick room tour of, this is Royal Pacific, the Waterview room, okay, with the 2-queen room. We have the vanity mirrors there. We have stayed at this resort before, but we had a different view that time, so I decided to do another little short room tour. I did request the bathroom with the full tub and shower combo. Okay, and for those of you who might not like the barn doors, the sliding doors, they do have the sliding doors to the bathroom here. I don't mind the sliding doors, but I know some people like a full, and it's gonna shut on its own. There it goes. I know some people like a full bathroom door that will close. We have a closet here with some storage space. Luggage rack, ironing board, and safe. And we have the 2-queen room. Now, what I really like, oh, we won't show it yet. You might have got a glimpse of it. But we have some drawers for storage. Same as the other room we were in. We have the Keurig and coffee supplies under there. And a small mini fridge. We have a desk and seating table available there. And what I really like is I am going to love the view this time. This is what I was wanting. Last time we had a Waterview room and we were on directly across from this room, high floor. I always request a high floor. There goes Velocicoaster. And we actually had a view of the pool last time. But this time we do have the Waterview. But we have an awesome view of the theme parks. We've got Hulk, Dr. Doom's, with the Velocicoaster over there, and Hogwarts. So I am going to love this every day for the next week. All right, Tyler, what do you think of our view for the week?
Oh, well, it's pretty good. We can wake up to,
we can wake up to the Hulk
in the morning.
Yes, Tyler just got in the room. We're gonna love it. And Velocicoaster over there. Yep, there it goes over. Yep.
Looks good, looks good.
All right, so that concludes my little very short room tour. Yeah. Because we actually, you know, we've got something like this. The only thing different, or we've got something like this on our channel.
Is the view.
Only thing is the view. So
we're pool view last time.
Yeah.
Which the pool view is awesome.
Oh, the pool view was great, but I was just hoping for something different this time, and I was really last year. I was like, I hope we get the theme park.
And glad we didn't get the highway.
Yes, yes. So we appreciate you tagging along with us. We highly recommend Royal Pacific. We've stayed here before, loved it. It's convenient to the park.
Yep.
Such a short walk. We do have, you have express passes on your, you know, with your room key. You know, the express comes with it. So yeah, we're gonna unpack, go enjoy the parks, and thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.